This beautiful lemon pepper chicken meal is perfect for the cast iron skillet at a campsite. The good news, you can prepare it in 20 minutes, and here's how I did it. Wow, that's a 20-minute meal on the cast iron skillet outside, and it's something you can do. Lemon pepper chicken. I told Lynn I was going to say it's lemon pepper iguanas, but she wouldn't eat it if I told her that. So lemon pepper chicken, really good. Let's dig in. Thanks for being with us. We'll get this. Try the lemon with it this time.
So what you think about that?
Tart.
Really good. I like it. Good girl.
Get the ball downfield, protect Mahomes, because right now that side has been very disruptive. Chase Young is